Canceling an appointment in Calendly is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your schedule effectively. Here's how to do it. Log into Calendly. Start by signing into your Calendly account. Access your events. On the dashboard, navigate to the Scheduled Events tab. This section displays all your upcoming appointments. Select the appointment. Find the specific appointment you wish to cancel. You can use the search function if you have many scheduled events. View appointment details. Click on the appointment to open the details. Here, you will see information about the event, including the invitee's name and the scheduled time. Cancel the appointment. Look for the Cancel Event option, usually found at the bottom or side of the appointment details. Click this option and you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Notify invitee. You can choose to notify the invitee about the cancellation via email. If this option is available, ensure to check it before finalizing the cancellation. Confirm cancellation. Finally, confirm the cancellation. Your appointment will be removed from your calendar, and the invitee will be notified if you opted to send a notification.